Written in these walls are the stories that I can't explain.
Shot for coming to the airport, straight up. Means a lot to the seniors here. Without you, this house wouldn't be completed, boys. Straight up. I just want to say when we go out there tonight, when we go out there today, on that battlefield, just look at each other now. Those are your brothers that you're going to fight with on that field. And whatever happens, win or lose, always put God first, right? Yo, God sits off everything, eh?
Gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen.
This morning, one of the boys' fathers passed away. So this haka is dedicated to them. Thank you.
It's like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I give her all. I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life. The story of my life. The story of my life.
Te kau te rangatai, o 2014.